Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pably. So today I am going to tell you how you can add WooCommerce customers to Circle community. Now you all know about WooCommerce. It is a platform where people shop, and Circle is a place where people can manage their clients and customers on different types of communities. Now what are we doing? Whenever a new customer is added to our WooCommerce, automatically the details would be sent to the Circle account and an automatic invitation will be sent to him on his email, from where he can accept the invitation to our community and will be added to our community. Now automatically we can do this through this automation. If we will do it manually, it will take a lot of time and a lot of efforts. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pably Connect, which will help us connect WooCommerce and Circle together. Now if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are here at our screen. So what we have to do now, we have to go to the address bar and type in pably.com/connect and press enter. And as soon as we will press enter, we'll be redirected to this beautiful web page here. And here we have two options. First one is sign in, second one is sign up. Now, if you already have an account, you can just go for sign in. If you do not have an account, you have to go for sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and it will also give you 100 free tasks every month so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. Okay. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to sign in because I already have an account here. So I'll just sign into my account. Now what I will do, I will just go for access now for Pably Connect. Now here what you can see, let it load. This is my interface, and here I have so many automations already made. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to create a new workflow by clicking on this button, create workflow. So now here, what am I doing? I am integrating WooCommerce to Circle. Okay. So this is the name of my, this is the account of my circle.so application. And this is the account, my WordPress account, where I have my WooCommerce installed. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to name it circle.so. Let me just see, I didn't write it wrong. Let's just keep it Circle, WooCommerce to Circle. Okay. Now I'm giving it this name. You can name it whatever you want to. It's completely up to you. Now what we are going to do, we are going to click on create. Now here you can see I have two windows. First one is trigger, second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window when an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. So what is happening in our trigger? We are having a new customer in our WooCommerce. So we will just go to WooCommerce, and here we are going to choose new customer created. Okay. Now you can see here it is giving me a webhook URL. Now why is this webhook URL required? Webhook URL will help me connect my WooCommerce account to my Pably Connect account, so that whenever I have a new entry in my WooCommerce, or whenever I have a new customer in my WooCommerce, the response will be captured here in Pably Connect account. Okay. So I'll just copy this webhook URL, and now I will follow these steps so that I can connect my Pably Connect account to my WooCommerce account. And I have to follow these steps now. You can read that later. I'm not going to read that. I'm just going to show you how it's done. So this is my WordPress. I'll go for WooCommerce settings. So here WordPress takes some time, about a few seconds. Here I will go to advanced. After going to advanced, I am going to choose webhooks. So this is webhooks, you can see here. And after choosing webhooks, what I am going to do, I am just going to create a new webhook. Now here you can see I have an option for adding webhook. I will just click on add webhook. And now I am just going to give it the name. The name is WooCommerce to Circle. Okay. So this is the name of my webhook. Status is active. Topic is, what is the topic? Let me see here. Topic is customer created. You can see we have to choose the topic customer created. So here we are going to choose customer created. Delivery URL. So here in the field of delivery URL, you have to copy this webhook URL and paste it here. Now you do not need any secret key, or you do not have to mess up with the API version. You just have to go and click on save webhook. And now it is taking some time. It's okay. So our webhook has been saved now. Now you can see that we have connected we have connected our Pabbly Connect account to our WooCommerce account. Now what will happen whenever somebody will come to our WooCommerce store, and whenever he will click on our WooCommerce store for registration, what will happen? His WordPress will open, and the WordPress will add him as a new user to our WooCommerce. Now I'm just going to add a new customer, and after adding a new customer, what will happen we will see. So I'll just go here and click on users, and then I will click on add new. So I am creating a new customer here. So let us just create a new customer here. Username is Hans. Email is hansvowel@gmail.com. First name is Hans. Last name is Vowel. And website, I do not have any website here. Password, let me just put in Hans Vowel 9090 @9090. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on add new user, and as soon as I will add new user, we will see here a new response will come where it is waiting for the webhook response. So let's just wait, and let's just see what happens. And here you can see we have created a new user, Hans Vowel, and here we are just waiting for the response. So let's see in how many seconds our response will come here. And here we have the new response. You can see ID is 645, date created, date modified, etc., etc. Username is Hans, and the full information is available here. You can see hansvowel@gmail.com. First name Hans, last name is Vowel, and role is customer. Okay. So our first step of creating our WooCommerce with our Pabbly Connect is complete. Now what we are going to do, we are going to add our Circle account to our Pabbly Connect account, and let us just connect them. What we are going to do, we are going to invite a new member from our WooCommerce. The customer who has been created, now we are going to invite him. So I'll just go for add new connection. Now here you can see it is written enter your Circle account host. If your account URL is this, then your host will be this. So what will be your host? You will go back to your Circle account, and here this is the whole link, and here this is your host. So just copy this, go back and paste it here. And now you are going to need this API token. Now from where you are going to get this API token? So API token, to get the API token, you have to log in, then go to account and navigate to settings, then go to API and create an API token. So we will go here, then we will go to account, then we will go to settings. And in settings, we have to find the API. So here is API. And now we are going to create an API token. Now let me just name it WooCommerce to Circle. Okay. Let's just click on create. And as soon as we will create it, you will see we have this new API here, WooCommerce to Circle. We'll just copy this. We will go back and we will paste this API token here, and then we will click on save. Now, as soon as we will click on save, you will see we have these fields here: email, community ID, password, name, space ID, etc., etc., etc. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to fill in the details which we already have from our WooCommerce account, and we are going to leave the fields blank which we do not have. Now, what I am going to do, I am going to use a technique which is called mapping, and mapping will let me take the data from this window here, and it will let me put this data here in this window. So first we are going to map in the email address. So email address is hansvowel@gmail.com. Community ID is Pabbly. So this is the community ID Pabbly. I am using this one. Now password, I do not want to put any password here. Name is Hans Vowel. So we'll go for first name first, and then we will map in the second name, Vowel. Okay, Hans Vowel. Space ID. So space ID is Pabbly Connect, because we only have one space ID here, which is this Pabbly Connect. So we will go for Pabbly Connect. Then space group ID is spaces because we have only one group here, which is spaces, this one. So this is the space group ID. Now we'll go here, member tag ID, nothing, skip invitation email, nothing, bio headline, and we are not going to fill in these details. Now what we are going to do, we are just going to click on save and send a test request. Now you can see the message has been sent to the user, and now here in our Pabbly Connect account, you can see we have 5 members. And here you can see we have successfully added a member here, Hans Vowel, okay? So you can see Hans Vowel has been added here in my Pabbly Connect members, and now what will happen, a message will be sent to Hans on his Gmail, where he will have to accept the invitation. So here I'll go to my Gmail, and here you can see it is written, hey Hans, Ashi Rai has invited you to join the Pabbly community on Circle. Click here to accept your invitation. And as soon as he will click on accept invitation, what will happen, the Circle will ask him to make a new account if he do not have an account here. And if he already have an account, what will happen, he will automatically be added to our Pabbly community as soon as he will accept the invitation. Now, as Hans Vowel already had an account on Circle, and he was, and that is why he was directly added to my Circle community. But whenever somebody would not have his account on Circle, what will happen? He has to create his account on Circle whenever you will send an invite to him, and then whenever he will accept the invitation, he will create an account, and by creating an account, he will be added to your community. Okay. So this is how, friends, you can connect your WooCommerce to your Circle community, so that whenever a new customer is created in your WooCommerce, he will automatically be invited in your Circle community, and if he accepts the invitation, he will be a member of your Circle community. Now, if you want to use this workflow in your business, you can easily use this by cloning this workflow from my description box. But for that, first you need to have an account, and to create an account, you need to go to the Pabbly Connect website. And also, I want to tell you that this signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month from our side, so that you can use these workflows and practice these workflows. So what are you waiting for? Go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.